Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure prerequisites are handled so nothing blocks the process. Confirm your Android version and which launcher you use because options differ. Once done, back up your current layout or enable Cloud Sync to protect icons and folders. This prevents loss. Now, long press a blank area on the home screen to open the launcher menu or open Settings and choose Home App. These are the first actionable steps that let you access layout locks or advanced settings. You now enter the middle of the process where options can be subtle. Open the launcher settings, either long press the home screen and tap Settings, or go through Apps right arrow Default Apps right arrow Home App. Then locate toggles labeled Lock Home Screen, Prevent Changes, or similar and turn them off. This frees icons and widgets. If icons remain fixed, dive into Folders and Widget settings to remove per item protection. Make sure to check third-party launcher menus like Layout, Gestures, or Advanced. Finish by arranging your icons and widgets the way you want, and save the layout if your launcher supports presets or Cloud Sync. Once you've made changes, reboot the device to ensure settings apply. If the layout remains locked, clear the launcher app cache or data, or reinstall the launcher. Make sure to test with an alternative launcher to determine whether the issue is system-level versus launcher-specific. If all else fails, restore your backup and repeat the unlock steps more carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.